Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Production-Linked Incentive Scheme. First of all, let's see why it is in the news. The Production-Linked Incentive PLI Scheme has become a pivotal component in transforming India's industrial landscape. With an outlay 1.97 lakh crore rupees, the scheme is designed to boost domestic manufacturing and position India as a global manufacturing powerhouse. Now let's discuss about the PLI scheme. The PLI scheme, introduced in 2020, aims to increase India's manufacturing output and create job opportunities by offering performance-based incentives across critical sectors. It focuses on sectors such as mobile manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, electronics, textiles, and food processing, providing targeted financial incentives to increase production and exports. The PLI scheme has garnered immense industry interest, with 806 applications approved across 14 sectors. By driving investment in key industries, the scheme is enhancing India's position in the global value chain, particularly in electronics, automobiles, textiles, and medical devices. Now let's talk about key sectors under the PLI scheme: electronics and mobile manufacturing. This sector has emerged as one of the key success stories under the PLI scheme. With the government's strong policy backing through initiatives like the National Policy on Electronics 2019, India has become a major player in the global mobile phone manufacturing market. Automobile and auto components. The automobile sector has attracted significant investment through the PLI scheme, with 67,690 crore rupees committed by global and domestic manufacturers. The scheme supports sustainable mobility through electric vehicle manufacturing and clean technologies, contributing to India's transition to a green economy. Pharmaceuticals. By focusing on bulk drugs and medical devices, the scheme has reduced dependency on imports and bolstered India's position as a global leader in generic drug manufacturing. Food processing. With over 171 applications approved, the food processing sector has received substantial investments, enhancing the value-added exports of Indian food products. Semiconductors. The semiconductor sector has received a significant boost under the India Semiconductor Mission, with the PLI scheme complementing efforts to build a self-reliant semiconductor ecosystem. Now lastly, moving on to impact on employment and growth. The PLI scheme has not only driven investment in India's key sectors, but also created millions of jobs. As of 2025, the scheme has generated over 12 lakh direct and indirect employment opportunities, particularly in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. This growth in employment is vital for India's goal of creating a more inclusive economy. Now is the time for practice question. Consider the following statements about Production-Linked Incentive Scheme. 1. The PLI scheme was launched to boost domestic manufacturing across 14 critical sectors. 2. The PLI scheme is solely designed to attract foreign direct investment in India. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.